Wow.
Hello friends, in this video I will show you how create small baby animals videos using AI. Before start video, my little request, if my video is informative and if you like, then subscribe, like and comment for our support. Thanks a lot. So let's start video. Now in TikTok, Instagram and in YouTube, these videos is in trending. So many views and make their accounts viral. This so easy to make these animals kids videos. Only use one AI website. And this website you can easily open in mobile. Open Chrome browser in your mobile and type Hawks versus. Log in with your Gmail account. Now follow these steps. Those prompt you can see you in my discretion and you can change characters. Examples: change zebra and write loin, donkey or anything you want.